pop-up gallery that I cart around campus with my friends and show student artwork to everyone. So we are the only CSU that doesn't have a gallery on campus, and being a museum studies concentration within the BPA department, I think that the spaces that we have to show work on campus are unacceptable. I saw a need, so I decided to do something about it. I created a pop-up gallery that I can bring anywhere with me and pop up anywhere on campus without asking for permission. Because if I asked for permission, they wouldn't say yes anyways. So hopefully this gallery raises awareness about the issue in order to create change on campus. And hopefully someday in the future we actually have a working gallery that students can curate and show artwork in. Yeah, because the library, I feel like it's such a great space for people to show artwork, and we've been shot down at BPA so many times trying to get artwork up in there, and you know, we'll see what happens.
Is this, are they not letting you put this up? Is that
I
why?
haven't asked.
Oh, sweet.
I don't think they'll care.
We can always go in the
Really?
Why would they care?
Because they care about every little single
The
thing.
guy with
Yeah, I
gray
know,
hair.
but then like it's just
He can be an
So
it's
first
not like
step,
we're making this to
hey,
break
hey,
the library.
first step is to put it in the room with Rome. But what we're going to do is this, and we're going to put the bar on. Or a chair.
Hey, but it didn't come through the black, which is actually really nice.
Okay, good.
It went through the most of
I'd like to thank all my friends for pulling out the stops and setting it up and coming out in the freezing cold and wind and not caring about whether they're going to get arrested and just helping me out a lot and really supporting the cause.